Alright guys, got an Amtrak 90 here in Florence, South Carolina. I'm on track number 2. Northbound over. Alright guys, got an Amtrak 90 here in Florence, South Carolina. I'm heading off to New York City with a clear signal. Northbound over. And there it goes, off toward New York. And look right there, guys. The new signals are up, and I sure can't wait to see them when they start running. And also, unfortunately, they will replace the old searchlight target signals, and they're also gonna go to satellite once again, guys. Alright, so that's gonna be it for now.